All right guys, Dr. Ben here. I'm gonna show you a pretty easy exercise that can help out if maybe you're having some hip pain, some low back pain, even some knee pain potentially in a muscle that oftentimes gets blamed for being too short and need to be stretched, but actually it needs to be strengthened. If you haven't figured out what muscle I'm talking about yet, it's the hip flexors. So this is a hip flexor march or just banded hip flexion if you want to get the fancy name. So all you need is a little loop band. We're going to put it around your feet, just around the arch of your feet works well. We're going to lean into a wall or a squat rack, and then we're just driving that knee forward. So up as far as you can to get those hip flexors working. This is a great activation exercise. You can do a heavy band and probably get some good strength built too, but obviously there's a limit to that. The one key on this I want you to think about is as you drive that knee up, what you think about pushing that back heel down. That way we don't have a tendency to kind of round through that low back or let that pelvis tilt. So if we drive through that back foot and drive forward, then we'll keep this position a lot nicer than if we just kind of relax and let things round there. So that's a hip flexion march or banded hip flexion. Give that one a try, guys, especially like I said, if you have some hip pain, low back issues, or just hip flexors that feel like they're always tight. They may just need to be strengthened. This would be a great option to do that.